Hi, this is Mridula.
Blue,
Very good.
yellow,
Very good. Just now you saw a child doing blindfold activities in this video. These blindfold activities are just done to demonstrate that a major neurological change has occurred in the brain after attending the 2 days brain activation workshop. Now what happens is, if a teacher is teaching in a classroom, these children have a benefit because the information is going through all the senses, 5 senses plus they are putting it on their forehead, which is the pineal gland. Very quickly they are grasping, very quickly they are understanding, and the information, whatever they are listening to, will retain for a longer time, and that is called memory. Now we say all this is enhancing a child's intelligence quotients. The intelligence quotient IQ, the EQ, the CQ, the AQ and the SQ. So what is IQ? IQ is the intelligence quotient. Children become really very smart academically, intelligent. But academic intelligence is not everything. We say to lead a successful life, all other quotients should also be enhanced. And therefore, the adversity quotient. Adversity means if some problems start happening at some phase of life, children should be able to cope up with that. The creativity quotient, of course, they become super creative. And then the emotional quotient. Emotionally, children become very balanced because their brain becomes super powerful and they have control over their thoughts and their brain. Manifestations become easy because they have real good command over their thoughts. Decision making becomes easy for them. And of course, then the spiritual quotient. We are just using 3% of our brains. So spiritually, there is so much of information floating in the infinite intelligence, the collective pool of wisdom, the collective pool of the cosmic intelligence. So these children are able to tap into that and they get the download. So spiritually, people say that yes, they are able to connect to their own higher selves, to their own guardian angels. So they are able to take correct decisions, channel information, get guidance, which is through the infinite intelligence, get very intuitive. So they get to understand beforehand. Telepathy is another very beautiful psychic ability. It's one of the highest psychic ability. Yogis and work really hard to get that skill, which these children get in just 2 days of long distance workshop and then 21 days of practice at home. These are wonderful, beautiful workshops. Till 16 years of age, we have a guaranteed program. 100% the midbrain and the pineal gland and the right and left brain get activated. Children see and show blindfold results. The sooner the better. The smaller the child, the quicker the brain gets activated. Very fun-filled workshops because we work on a very relaxed state of mind. We need it. We need a very relaxed state of mind. And yes, of course, this is something which is like a miracle. It is your brain miracle.